Don't look so puked out. Better luck next time, fool.
Listen, punk. To me, you're nothing but dog shit, you understand? And a lot of things can happen to dog shit. It can be scraped up with a shovel off the ground. It can dry up and blow away in the wind, or it can be stepped on and squashed. So take my advice, be careful where the dog shits you.
Actually, my problem's not medical. It's psychological.
Get out there and make some money so I can pay for this shit.
Good afternoon. Fucking windy. Blowing me all over the place. Got a wheel alignment yesterday, so my wheel's kind of cockeyed now. I was like, okay, I'm gonna probably have to straighten out my wheel. I like to have it a little crooked this way because it's nicer to hold. I like to hold this spoke, but down here. I know, fucking whatever. So now I'm all kind of fucked up because it's windy out too, so. I gotta do some retorquaging. Got some new drive tires. And what's all these other ones for? Tractor. More, why'd you give me two?
Check this out. Keep your eye on the white truck in the middle of your screen. Its left front tire comes loose suddenly, shoots across a lane, rolls underneath the black Kia Soul, and that sends it flying into the air as you just saw, landing on its roof, then rolling onto its wheels.
I think I got 6 new tires back there, which is good. Needed them. I was starting to look at them. I'm like, those are getting a little thin. So we dropped, I was gonna pull in yesterday when I was doing first aid. Before I started first aid, they were gonna fix my exhaust leak. And then right away, boss, they opened the door for me to roll in, and boss like, take your truck to Cal Tire. I'm like, all right, come pick me up. So I went and dropped it off Cal Tire. Came back, did first aid. And of course, obviously, naturally, the truck was not gonna be ready, so I went home. Came in this morning, they were like, you don't have to be in Olds until 2:30 p.m. I'm like, oh, they must be doing that exhaust leak and all that stuff. I'm like, all right, kind of dilly-daddled at home, finished editing a video, came in. I was like, shit, my truck is in its bay where I normally park. And fired it up, put my hand down there. I'm like, still leaking. So I fixed that quick. Well, actually, I double-decked the trailers first. And then I pulled in the shop, fixed that. Zach wanted me to get footage of his truck, the Pete, the new one. So he was like gonna wash it at the shop, but then the pressure washer for some reason wasn't working, and then the door broke. So he went to the car wash, I fixed my exhaust leak. Then he came back, and we went over to yard 2, shot a bunch of footage. I'll definitely put it in here somewhere. And then yeah, I hooked up and away I went. Gonna go to Olds. We got sand Minion stuff, I think is what we're grabbing. We take that. Take these 2 trailers out. And I don't even know where the location is. I don't think it's very far. I don't know. I think tomorrow he's gonna send me to Fort St. John. Of course, that'll be a whole nother video. So we'll see what we can come up with here. Impatience, you guys. Can't wait to get some retorque. And it's only like -9, but with the gale force wind, it's like, goddamn, it's like -25 again. I was out there holding the camera, did some drone shots, and the drone was struggling a little bit. He's like, oh, it might be a little bit windy for drones. I'm like, no, it's a trooper, it'll be all right. Might be able to see it in the footage though. It was struggling a little bit. That's how windy it is today. So we'll zip over here, we'll get loaded up, and we'll see what's up next. Anyways, stay tuned. One day you're wearing mitts because you're freezing your fingers off. Next day you're casually wearing gloves. Next day you're wearing rubbers because it's warm and wet. I know, insulated rubbers. fuckery what we had to do, but if I would have not chained this down, I could have just left it here and somebody would have came here and got it, but you know how that goes. Brand new boomers, brand new chains. Well, they're not brand new chains, but I made them a couple months ago. They all be disappearing and shit. So I'm like, I'll just go back and get it. I don't have to start early tomorrow. I just got to load in Rimby and drive to Fort St. John. So this is fine, except for somebody said that Bobtail was here and or was out here somewhere. I don't know where. Maybe it was at the lease, but then I would have had to get up super early to get my rig in or wait for him to get back to the shop, so it would have been pointless. That was pretty clear on the way down. I had her like locked in at my foot to the floor, and then all of a sudden you just turn around for a second, all of a sudden it's just fucking snow blowing again. Hard. And wind is crossing all the way across all the land, so it makes me feel bad when well, this guy passed me and he drove in the lane forever, was dusting me out. So here you go. Right at the bottom of the hill. Thanks. Thanks. Thank you. So I guess it does ring true when they always say winter is in like a sheep, out like a lion. I always like to be like, man, shut up. That's stupid. And it's been pretty true this winter. It's been pretty gnarly. It was so mild, I was just like, man, we didn't even have a winter. And then, kapoof. It's winter time. A lot of winter time. And then it's like the tail end usually now, like we're almost into March. Well, by the time you guys see this, it'll be like, I don't even want to, the end of March. And it's usually pretty mild by now. Like, yeah, I've been in my t-shirt a few times already. And then now, no, not so much. It's like today, it's only -9, but it says with the wind, it's like 20. It's kind of been like that for like the past 3 days, where it's not too bad, but then it's nipply. And then we've been getting lots of snow. We haven't had much snow all winter, and then all of a sudden it's just poof, poof, poof. Really? You want to go through it again, lady? I feel bad. It's a lady, too. But I was passing you, and then you slowed down for the hill, so then I didn't pass. Now I'm going to go fast and pass. It's not as much snow here in this lane now, so I won't feel too bad, but should be driving if you can't drive to the conditions, really. I feel bad that I'm dusting out this person, but E-log made me do it. We go back to the old days when we just kind of like didn't have any log. We just kind of do whatever we want, and we wouldn't be pressed to, you know, drive like this.
fried mutt mode? Huh. Let me check this out.
Rome.
Brunch time.
Uma ameaça foi detectada. Uma ameaça foi detectada.